welcome back to my channel, and welcome if you're new. I hope by now you're already done with gift wrapping and you're almost ready for Christmas. I'm already done. My gifts are put away, not under the tree since I have a toddler and they would not survive till Christmas morning, but I'm gonna put them out Christmas Eve when the kids go to sleep. So right now I'm focusing on some other things like food preparation, last minute shopping, grocery shopping, and also thinking what kind of fun things we can do for Christmas Eve and Christmas Day. This year we're not gonna have any kind of party. It's just gonna be small family gathering. It's gonna be us and then my in-laws and my brother-in-law. And then a week after Christmas, our dear friends who are our kids' godparents are coming, and they're gonna stay with us for the weekend. So for both of these times, I'm gonna have a game that we're gonna play. And this game I did not come up with. I actually saw it in a video that Amber, the happy homemaker, made a couple of days ago or maybe a week ago. I'm gonna link her video in the description box down below so you can check that out. It's a SARAN wrap game, and that game is very fun. Essentially what you need is just a SARAN wrap, clear wrap, and a bunch of little things depending on what you're doing. If you're doing a party, maybe you can get some little bigger things and maybe some better prizes. Since we're having just a little family gathering, I decided I'm gonna do just a bunch of little candies, gums, lip balms, hand sanitizers and stuff like that, some socks, little things like that, just to make it fun. So what you do, and you are actually just wrapping each gift separately and adding it to make it a big ball. And I'm gonna explain everything while I'm making it, so you will understand the process. So yeah, let's start with making this ball, and I'll show you how it goes. So basically what you do is you choose one of the gifts to be like a main gift and you put it in the middle. So you start with that gift, and while you're playing games, everybody will go towards that gift. I chose headphones. It doesn't have to be anything big, but just whatever you want.
It's cold outside, but the fire keeps us warm. We can spend the night underneath the mistletoe. And I've gotten you a present that I put under the tree. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. The snow is falling down and the storm is on its way, but as long as you're around, everything will be okay.
As you could see, I am cutting the SARAN wrap after each little gift was wrapped, and the reason for that is because you don't want, while playing game, one person to start opening the wrap and then open all the presents. This way it's going to be a little more challenging because the wrap will be cut.
Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. Another year went by, but the difference this time is that ever since July, I've been happier than I have.
And now just keep wrapping until you're done with all the gifts.
Love for you is true. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. I've longed for this moment to have you for myself in a cabin out in nowhere, just us and no one else. I've decorated everything to be perfect for this week. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me.
Okay, I am done. My ball is done, even though it doesn't look like a ball, but it doesn't matter. I am sure we're gonna have fun wrapping it, and yeah, that's all you have to do. It's really not that hard, and we're not sure exactly what are the rules are gonna be, how you're gonna go to the next person. Amber had a great idea rolling the dice, and she will explain that better in her video, but we're gonna figure something out. We don't want it to be too hard since we have, besides adults, we have my 7-year-old son, so we don't want to make it too hard and we want to make it fun. So yeah, I really hope you will give it a try, and if you do, snap a picture and post it on Instagram and tag me on it. That would be great. So that's it. If you liked and enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And I really hope you will have fun and enjoy next couple of days with your loved ones, and have a Merry Christmas. I will see you in a couple of days. Bye guys.
Everything till we're perfect for this week. Tomorrow it is Christmas.